Hello, Showtimers! Today I'm unboxing a Sprinter Terreno Itasha version. First premium Itasha. I wonder what is this girl character. Horticulture. I'm back with the trick I do. I use this image. I hope I don't suck. I mean her. It says Hot Wheels in Japanese because it's a Japanese character, probably. I don't know what's this here. It says Terreno in the front. The color is pink from the character's hair. Blue eyes. White, yellow, blue, black. It has 6 spokes.